Well, that was the start of the final of 100-meter hurdles for women. And that happens to be Ms.C.Kanimozhi of Railways to be on top, having Aparna Roy of Kerala for the second spot. And that is the replay for you. And this is the stage where there is a tough competition between Ms.C.Kanimozhi and Aparna Roy. Both are clearing together, moving together. And while at the finish, it was unfortunate for Momita Mandal of West Bengal as she was on the ground losing her balance. And that happens to be 399 Ms.C.Kanimozhi of Railways, who happens to be the gold medal winner in all the